Hi everybody and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. Well, it is the first of the new month, which means we have so many videos that are going to be up on this channel. Starting with at midnight, we had the PR unboxing for IPSY. So that is exciting because we know it is Choice Day on the 1st for our extra, as well as the reveal of everything that's going to be in our glam bags. And of course, the add-ons open. But they don't stop there at IPSY. We also have our mystery bags that get launched on this day as well. But we also shared with you about the edit. So I want to make sure that you guys know that that is alive now as well. So we're going to review all of that in this video here. But we already have some other videos already up on the channel that are going to be the spoilers for the Beauty Fix box, as well as the customization of my paid for FabFitFun monthly beauty box, which there were surprises there as well. So like I say all the time, if you want to be in the know, because as soon as I know something, I want you to know it too, then I hope you'll be part of the growth of this channel simply by subscribing. It's free, it's easy, you hit that subscribe button and you're in. You want to make sure you don't miss out on any of the content. There is a bell that's right beside it and the word all. Always try your best to make sure that that is clicked on. Double check that you are subscribed to this channel so you don't miss out on any of my uploads, because I share with you all the time that as soon as there's information to share, I sit down, I film, and I upload so that the information is waiting for you, because I am the type that wants to know everything as soon as it's happening. But most importantly, I want us all to be on the same page so that when something is available for me, I want it to be at the same time to share with you so it's available for you, so that we can all get in it together. This channel is about sharing information, and we also deep dive a little bit more about the brands, the products, always sharing the deals, and of course the spoilers on the subscription boxes as well. But sometimes the deals don't involve the subscription boxes, so if they are things that caught my eye in the beauty community, I want to make sure to have a place that we could all come together and know what's going on. So if you know of something that you want to share with me, always you can do it in the comments section. But if you want to keep it private, you can always reach out for me on my Instagram. My name there is TrueWants with the number 2, or you can send me an email at info@truewants.com. But this video is going to be about the new launch of the stunning bags that they are doing in the mystery bags. And I share with you all the time, what gets me for the mystery bags is going to be the bag itself. And I think so many of you are that way as well, because with IPSY, I have been a member for a very long time. And not only do I have 2 paid for accounts, I enjoy the shop and I enjoy my add-ons. So the odds for me of what the items are going to be in the mystery bag, the percentage is a little bit lower than others. But if the bag is, to me, what grabs me, and the couple of brands that I'm going to share with you that are going to be in the initial bags, then to me, that is what will make the decision if I get it or not. So give me 1 sec and I'll be right back. We're going to start off with the large one. This one is called the Petal Pop Mystery Bag. Is that not a stunning colors? Oh, so ready for summer. This bag cost us $34. Now remember, this is through the shop. So anything more than $10 in the shop is free ship in the continuous USA. So this $34, all that you will be charged is the state tax, and that is what makes these bags amazing, because there's 5 full-size products in here, and it comes with this bag as a gift. They also, these little tug pulleys are adorable. That is all these little details I want to make sure that you guys see as well. So it says turn up the color with this set of 5 full-size beauty surprises. They're saying including one that is going to be from the LGBTQ plus brands. This is, they're saying, perfect for summer. The best part, they come stashed in this beautiful petal printed bag, so you can carry your new faves with you wherever the warm weather takes you. Now the 2 brands that they are promising are going to be in here. One is going to be e.l.f. Cosmetics, and the other one is going to be Beauty Stat. Talk about 2 different brands, one more affordable and one premium luxury. Then it says here, the products in each mystery bag may vary. That's what makes opening them so exciting. And then they're saying that the mystery bag contains special assortment of surprise beauty products, and they are not curated based on your beauty quiz. So keep that in mind as well. So this bag, they're saying will have an over $109 value. Now keep in mind, that could be because Beauty Stat is a premium luxury brand, so that can make the price point go a little bit higher. So I want to make sure you guys know that that is also how these retail prices, they're all valid, but remember, we don't pay in the retail price world. So if you are looking for a gorgeous bag that's going to have 5 full-size items in it, then I want to make sure that you guys know that this is now available in the shop. Then we have the one that is their mini version of it. And again, it's the beautiful same, probably the same material, the same patterns, the same little pulley with that beautiful little flower pulley there. It is just gorgeous. So this one is called the Orchids in Bloom Mystery Bag. This one, because it's in the deluxe mini, the cost is $16, and the value, the retail value in here, they're saying is $66.82. This one will have 5 deluxe sample sizes in here, and again, including at least one from the LGBTQ plus brands. And this one they're saying is curated to help you express yourself. Plus, they come packed in this cutest lilac bag. This one is ready for beach days, weekend getaways, and everything in between. The 2 brands that are going to be in this one is going to be from Do With the Gods, which so many of us enjoy and learned through this BoxyCharm IPSY world. And the other one is going to be a brand that also I've had the opportunity to try their toner from this brand that I really did enjoy, and it's called Nip and Fab. Now the products again in each mystery bag may vary. They're saying what makes opening them so exciting. And again, mystery bags contain special assortments of surprise beauty products and are not created based on your beauty quiz response. But what I find is if these 2 brands that are now in the bags, a lot of the time, and it's been more often than not, if you get it right at the start, these are the brands that are going to be in there, and everybody usually gets the exact same items. So if you see someone unboxing and these are the 2 brands that are in there, and you go to the site to order it, if you're waiting, and those 2 brand names change, then it is probably going to be different items that are going to be in there. It has also happened to me that one time I waited, I didn't get it right out of the gate, and I watched somebody's unboxing and the names were still the same. So I thought I would get the exact same mystery bags as them, and it was a different product from the same brand. So keep all that in mind. Mystery is mystery, and that is what it's all about. But you will know that if you have seen a lot of these brands, these are products that have already usually have been released, but there are so many products when you go into the shop that the odds of you getting something that wasn't already curated for you based on your beauty quiz, that is a 50-50. So always keep that in mind. That is always what I want to make you to share with you, my personal paid for experience in reference to these bags. So for me, it's always about the bag, and then the products are second, where for everybody else, it might be the brand that is catching your eye that is making you want to definitely take the gamble of a mystery bag. So always keep that in mind as well. Okay. Also, the edit box is live. That is also available in the shop. Now we know that the price for this, because we already did a sneak peek spoiler that we knew this was coming, but I'm probably going to also have an edit box video that I'm going to do my best so we can go through the details of each one of the items and all of that. But what I wanted you guys to know in this video that it is live. This is $45.99 and it has a $135 value. And inside here, you're getting a full-size blush. You're getting the full size of the brow setter. You're getting a fun size of the primer. You're getting a full size of the mascara, that is the waterproof version. And then you're getting the full size of the beauty tint. And of course, you're also getting a beautiful bag in this collection as well. They also had in the shop another deal that I wanted to make sure that you guys knew about, that to me is similar to an edit box. If you're looking for a one brand box, I want to make sure that you guys know about that one as well. And that is another brand that I really do enjoy, and that is Rodial. And this is their pre-party edit kit. This is a $32 this is costing you $32, and it has a $102 value. And they're saying this is the perfect pre-party edit. It says drench your skin in hydration with 2 of the skin must-haves from their iconic Dragon Blood range. It's powered by hyaluronic acid, squalene, and niacinamide, as well as soothing Dragon Bloods as pairing with their best-selling Banana Lowlighter in a mini. And they're saying it is the ultimate trio for a pre-party glow. So those are the items that you're going to get in here. Definitely keep in mind that these are really luxurious brand. So that's why the price point of $102, even though there's only 4 products in here, 2 are going to be full-size sheet masks, and then the other ones look like one of them might be a smaller size. Now they're saying here that 2 of the items in here are going to be eye patches from what I can see here. And then they're saying they want you to leave it under the eyes for 20 to 30 minutes. There's also a sculpting gel in here that they want you to put on a cleansed face as well as your neck. And then they also have the Banana Lowlighter in here, which is, they're saying, to help conceal and define and blend with your fingertips. So those are the items that are in here. But then, of course, there's going to be new items available at the beginning of the month that is also going to be in the shop. So let's take a quick peek over there. Okay, so this sale they're saying is a 3-day savings event. So this is going to be, everything is going to be available here just for 3 days for some of these new deals. And then the price goes back to these really great prices. But if you see something that is reduced, this is when you want to look. It's funny, so many of you, when I did my unboxing of my mega drop shop from the last day, a lot of you got, which was one of my favorite products, which started my order, which was from Fable and Mane, that scalp scrub shampoo. A lot of you got that as your free gift in the first week of the mega drop shop, and then I was able to get it for $8. And then so many of you shared with me that now it is still available in the shop, but it is $15. At $15, it is still an amazing deal, but when you can get it for $8, it makes it even sweeter. So this is the deals. Like I said, if you see them and you want them, definitely go in there as well. Now, in reference to the first item that I know during the mega drop shop, I paid $4. So for $5, that's what I mean by some of the prices, they're heavily discounted, and other ones you'll see that they might just go back up like $1 or $2. So keep that in mind based on your budget and when you're able to spend. That is how I want you guys to know about it as well. And here you're seeing the spoiler for the mystery bags that we just went through. A lot of you grabbed these brushes. You can see that the price in the shop is $59.99, but during mega drop shop, after the first day, for some reason, there was a glitch that I saw, and I shared with you that when it went down to $40, during the whole mega drop shop, it stayed at $40, but now it is back in the shop at the regular shop price at $59.99. So keep that in mind as well. And then, of course, you can just scroll this way and see all of the deals that are there. You can also shop by how you're more comfortable, which is on the left panel here. You could shop by makeup, skincare, any which way that you want. They also have on these top little guys here where you can shop the actual sale. You can shop by skin and body under 20, makeup under 20, hair under 20, fragrance under 20. That is all based on the sale that's going here. But on the top of the screen, and I'll try to tilt this down a little so you guys can see what I'm seeing, you can also shop with these tabs that are up here. That is beauty under 50, new arrivals, the essentials. They are promoting this month the LGBTQ plus, as you saw. They're doing that also in the mystery bags. You can shop by those founded brands. Also makeup, skincare, hair, fragrance, mystery bags on their own. All of that you can do by those tabs as well. And those are all of the spoilers that I wanted to sit down and share with you with the beginning of the month with so much going on. So like I mentioned, there's going to be a lot of videos up on the channel today, not only for the choices that we have here of what I pay for, but I also want to make you guys aware of all these other deals that are going on as well so that you don't miss out. So if you want to be in the know, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. It's free. It's easy. You just have to hit that subscribe button that you see right underneath this video and you're in. It really is that simple. But like today, there is going to be so many videos that are up on the channel, not only for choices, but also for these other other deals that are going on as well. So if you want to be in the know, hopefully you'll be informed if you're a part of this channel. And like I said, it's free, it's easy. You just have to hit that subscribe button that you see right underneath this video and you're in. You enjoy the content, thumbs up. And then of course, there is no membership on this channel. I want all my information to be available to everybody. But if I've kept you in the know and I'm keeping you informed and I'm saving you some dollars and getting you some discounts as well on some of the items that I'm able to share with you and videos, then please don't forget about that thanks button. That is down below. It's a nice way to grab me a cup of coffee, a one-time only, where you can say thank you through monetary versions as well. All right. So if you've watched this all the way to the end, simply write new mystery bags and I'll know that you've watched this all the way to the end. As always, I look forward to seeing you in the comments that not only do I read, I take the time to respond to as well, because like you, this is our water cooler. And as much as you learn from me, I also learn from you as well. And that's what makes us a community here at TrueWants. So thanks for checking in. And like I said, make sure to check that video tab because there's going to be a lot that I'll be sharing with you today. And that's it for this one, guys. So everybody continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next one. Take care, everybody, and bye-bye for now.